Hey loves, welcome back to my channel. Thanks again for tuning in. First things first, please do make sure you hit that subscribe button if you're not already subscribed, and let's get on with the video. So today I'm going to be doing some pop smoke braids. These are, I guess you could say they're kind of trending now. Well, I would say they're trending. I've seen them on my timeline and I've been wanting to do it for a while, so I decided let me try it. You know, we're in quarantine. It's a cute little quick style. To be honest, it's not that quick, especially if you're doing it on yourself, but we move. So I start off by doing my edges. I just lay them with some edge control and try and set them with some Got To Be Free spray. And I did do this on blown out hair. For me, it's just so much easier doing it with my hair blown out. I used 3 packs of Expression hair, which I already kind of prepped before the video so I could just get on with it. So I've divided my hair into 8 sections, and for me it's easier if I just braid the sections first so that I know once the parts are out the way I can just get on with the braids. To me, the parts are the most time consuming part, no pun intended, the most time consuming part of the whole style. So I like to get those out the way and just get on with it. So in terms of the braiding, I done the front braids quite close to the front of my face. So the braids are kind of pushed forward towards my hairline. They're not in the middle, but you can do it however you want. But I looked at loads of different pictures and videos of this style, so I kind of imitated the ones that I liked the most, that I felt would fit my face better. I'm also using quite big sections of hair, so the strands of hair are quite big. I've seen this style where it looks a lot skinnier than mine, but I just think it just pops so much better when the hair's chunky. It's just got that juicy look and I love that. So yeah, I use a lot of hair, but just be mindful, make sure you're tucking away your hair and, you know, using products, edge control, just to make sure everything stays really slick, because to be honest, this hairstyle is not gonna last that long. So you want to make sure you do a really good job to begin with so you can get the most out of it. So to be honest, for the rest of the video, I'm just going to let it play out. And if I do need to come back and say anything and add any extra information, then I will do. But until then, enjoy the video. Thank you for watching. I hope you're all staying safe in these times as well, and just doing the best you can do to entertain yourself, to be productive, to be happy, to relax, to rest, whatever it is you need to do, to work. If that's what you're doing, then just go ahead and do it. I'll catch you in the next one. Take care.
Of course that's what my bed sheets say.